Hello, my name is Jan.
Do you know how to spell?
Yeah.
You know?
Yes.
Oh.
Dog. It's dog.
Okay, put this like this. Copy it on your way.
Yeah.
Put
Which
it like
word
this.
do we choose? Okay, let's see.
No, that's not needed.
How to spell? How to spell?
Tatanggol ko yan daw ba yung TV?
Panorin niyo muna si Diana. Anytime. Ay, panorin niyo muna yung kanino. Natutulog din kayo eh. Yan na lang muna ang cellphone niyo. Pati ba niyo manood?
Do you have enough?
Magsalamin kayo ma. Ano yung dalawa?
Ito.
Hindi nyo kasi nakikita eh. Oo ma. Suot nyo nga. Suot nyo.
Ayan.
Makita nyo ito sa ano. Tanggol. Sige, suot nyo.
Okay.
Baliktad,
Now,
baliktad. Kita nyo, di nyo nakikita yung ginagawa
you
nyo.
need to make a word first.
Oh,
Here,
yan.
like here. We're gonna start here.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna make a word. Like that. With the paper.
Yeah. Mine is one.
No, wait a second. I'm gonna teach you.
We're doing.
Do you see this?
Yes.
We're gonna count this and add them all up. Just 7 points to make.
Yeah, my turn.
Okay, now you have to make a word from these 3 tiles.
Yeah. Okay.
Make a word. It needs to be an English word that's actually in a dictionary.
Jen.
No.
Oh.
It can only be that way, this way, this way, this way.
Okay. What?
Okay. And you need to connect it to this. No, you can't do that.
Here? I can't.
Ano si Diana, Nathan ba?
When? That's wrong.
Oh. Okay. Next. Okay, we're back on this video. So we need to make a word. So.
Okay, no. It is only tiles you can work with. Make a word from this, from the things that you have. Sabi na ba, komplikado to. May turo eh.
Ito ba yan?
Yeah.
Now make a word.
Okay, I want to make a word.
Doon ka.
Here?
Doon. Nagkalat na kayo.
Wow.
You can just do this.